This Toyota Supra has a BMW B58 engine, and today we're going to be installing a RaceChip GTS 5 Black into this A90 Supra. The RaceChip harness connects to 3 sensors in the engine bay. We've got the turbo boost pressure sensor, the manifold pressure sensor, and then the camshaft sensor. Once that's all connected, we can turn our GTS 5 up to map 7 and make some numbers on the dyno. So the first sensor we go into is the boost pressure sensor, which is right here. We pull back on the tab, the plug comes out, and we put our RaceChip harness in there, just like factory. The next sensor is the manifold pressure sensor. So it's the same deal, just this white clip here, pull that back, and the plug comes out, and we put our RaceChip one in there like so, click that back in, and then plug our harness in. The third and final plug, the camshaft sensor, pull the white clip back, and it comes off like that, and we put our RaceChip harness in the same position and lock everything down. Now we're just going to clean up some of the wiring in the engine bay and route it all neatly, just like factory. Now that we have the RaceChip mounted up and the engine cover all put back on, it's time to bolt it onto the dyno and run it up. So, should you put a RaceChip on your GR Supra or any other BMW B58 powered car? Absolutely, and I'll let the numbers do the talking. As you can see here, we gained 32 kilowatts and 93 Newton meters at the hubs without any other supporting hardware. The best part about RaceChip, massive gains across the entire rev range, as you can see by the huge area underneath the curve. So if you're after a RaceChip for your B58 or any other engine, give me a call or head to our website. We have plenty of these units in stock to be shipped Australia-wide, or pop into our shop in Brisbane and we can install it here. Thank you for watching.